Hey guys, this is me Gautam. Welcome to Gautam Times. Today I'm going to show you guys that I'm going to spin a DC motor and see how fast it can go with the more batteries I use. And I'm going to spin a Beyblade. And I forgot, I'm using a Lego to make the fans and Beyblade. Hey guys, so now I kept the motor connected to a wire, which the wire is connected to a battery, and now this Beyblade will spin constantly. Okay, just watch. And guys, if you guys forgot to like, share, and subscribe, guys, do it again. Please. If you guys forgot to like and share and subscribe, guys, thank you if you guys forgot.